Hey everyone, want to make your Canva designs more engaging and dynamic? Adding animations is a great way to bring presentations, social media posts, and videos to life. Canva includes built-in animation effects that are easy to apply, even if you're a beginner. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to add animation in Canva step by step. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account and open the design you want to animate. You can use an existing project or create a new design from scratch. Next, decide what you'd like to animate. You can click on a text box, image, graphic, or even an empty area of the page if you want to animate the entire page instead of a single element. Now click the Animate button in the toolbar. Canva will display a collection of animation styles for both page animations and element animations. Each effect includes a preview so you can see how it looks before applying it. Click on the animation you want to use. Depending on the effect, Canva may also let you adjust settings such as speed, direction, or intensity. The available options can vary depending on the animation you choose. Once you've added your animations, use the preview feature to watch the entire design. This helps you check that everything flows smoothly and that the animations don't distract from your content. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. If your design includes animations, choose a file format that supports motion, such as MP4 or GIF when available for your project. And that's how to add animation in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can create more engaging presentations, videos, and social media content that stands out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.